Imagine you're leading your first IT project. You've got a solid team, a clear goal, and a tight timeline. But as you dive deeper, unexpected risks begin to surface: delays in vendor deliveries, a critical software bug, or even a sudden budget cut. Without the right tools and techniques, these risks can spiral out of control. But what if I told you there's a way to identify, analyze, and tackle these risks before they derail your project? In today's video, we'll walk you through the must-have tools and techniques for risk management, tailored for beginners. Hi everyone, and welcome back to NxtChair. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell for weekly insights on IT project management, risk mitigation, and leadership strategies. Today, we're diving into risk management tools and techniques, a practical guide to handling risks with confidence, even if you're just starting out. Topic Introduction. Managing risks isn't just about solving problems, it's about staying one step ahead. And that's exactly what we're going to learn through the story of Alex, a junior project manager tasked with leading a small e-commerce platform upgrade. Like many beginners, Alex faced a steep learning curve with risk management. But with the right tools and techniques, he turned potential disasters into smooth solutions. Let's break down his journey step by step and see how you can apply these strategies in your own projects. Step 1. Identifying risks with brainstorming and checklists. Alex's first challenge was identifying risks. He started by brainstorming with his team and using a risk checklist to ensure no potential issue was overlooked. Technical note: tools and techniques for identifying risks. 1. Brainstorming: collaborate with team members to list possible risks. 2. Risk checklists: use pre-made templates covering common risks in your industry, example, technical glitches, resource shortages, vendor delays. 3. Work breakdown structure, WBS: break the project into smaller tasks and analyze each for potential risks. For example, Alex's brainstorming session revealed several risks, including delayed vendor delivery and payment gateway integration issues. A checklist also reminded them to consider external risks like regulatory changes. If you've ever used brainstorming to identify risks, let us know your favorite tips in the comments. And don't forget to like this video if you're finding it useful. With risks identified, Alex needed to analyze them to decide which ones to prioritize. Step 2. Analyzing risks with risk matrices. After identifying risks, Alex used a risk matrix to analyze and prioritize them. This tool helped his team categorize risks based on their likelihood and impact. Technical note: how to use a risk matrix. 1. Likelihood: rate the probability of the risk, example, low, medium, high, or 1 to 5. 2. Impact: rate the severity of the consequences, example, low, medium, high, or 1 to 5. 3. Plot risks: place each risk in a matrix to determine its priority level. For instance, Alex rated delayed vendor delivery as high likelihood and medium impact, placing it in the medium priority category. Payment gateway integration issues, however, was both high likelihood and high impact, making it a top priority. Once Alex knew which risks mattered most, the next step was planning how to deal with them. Step 3. Mitigating risks with actionable plans. To address the most critical risks, Alex developed detailed mitigation strategies. For risks that couldn't be fully avoided, he created contingency plans. Technical note: key risk response strategies. 1. Avoid: eliminate the risk entirely, example, using reliable vendors to avoid delivery delays. 2. Reduce: minimize the likelihood or impact, example, testing payment gateway integration in a sandbox environment. 3. Transfer: shift the risk to a third party, example, purchasing vendor insurance. 4. Accept: prepare a contingency plan if the risk materializes. For example, to mitigate the payment gateway integration issues risk, Alex's team implemented rigorous testing before deployment. As a contingency plan, they had a backup payment gateway ready. Quick reminder, subscribe to our channel for more actionable tips like these. Your support helps us create more content to empower project managers like you. While Alex's mitigation plans were in motion, he also needed to monitor risks as the project progressed. Step 4. Monitoring risks with tracking tools. Risk management doesn't end after the planning phase. Alex used tools to monitor risks in real time and adjust strategies as needed. Technical note: tools for tracking and monitoring risks. 1. Risk Register, a detailed document to track risks, their status, and updates. 2. Project management software, tools like Jira or Trello for real-time updates and notifications. 3. Key Risk Indicators, KRIS, metrics to alert teams of emerging risks. For example, Alex's team added vendor delay notifications as a KRI. If the vendor missed key deadlines, the team received alerts to activate contingency plans. By the end of the project, Alex's proactive risk management efforts paid off, and the final step was evaluating the process. Step 5. Reviewing and improving the risk management process. After delivering the project, Alex conducted a risk review to identify lessons learned. This step helped his team improve their approach for future projects. Technical note: best practices for risk reviews. 1. Post-mortem analysis, evaluate what worked and what didn't. 2. Update risk checklists, add newly discovered risks for future reference. 3. Document success stories, highlight effective strategies and tools. For instance, Alex documented how using the risk matrix helped his team focus on high-priority issues, ensuring the project stayed on schedule. Conclusion: by using tools like brainstorming, risk matrices, and risk registers, Alex transformed a potentially risky project into a resounding success. The key takeaway: risk management isn't about avoiding every challenge. It's about being prepared, adaptable, and proactive. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into project management and risk mitigation. Let us know in the comments what tools or techniques you've used in your projects. We'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.